Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. So in this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities, as you can see right now on the screen as well. But before proceeding further in the video, make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed the channel till now. Obviously, the channel will be helpful for you and it will motivate me as well to make more such helpful content for you. So make sure to subscribe the channel and be a part of our Telegram community as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Hi all, I have some exciting news for every one of you that Relabel has launched two new tests in the domains of business analyst role and data analyst roles, as you can see right now on the screen as well. They have some amazing companies on board with packages up to 22 LPA. Sign up on the platform today to check out all the companies like Spread, Upgrade, Razorpay, Yafa, etc. hiring from Relabel right now. And all they are looking for is the relevant skill set. You can even try out the free sample papers to check your skills for the test. You just need 150 marks in the phase 1 to qualify for the second phase. After the second phase, a 700 plus score will lend you with interviews, job opportunities, and some amazing Relabel swag. Even they do guarantee a package of more than 4 LPA for non-tech roles and 6 LPA for tech roles. There is no age or experience limit for eligibility. If you are 18 plus, you can attempt the Relabel test to get a 50% hike for your next job in the best product-based company. So guys, what are you waiting for? The link for the registration is given in the description itself. It's just free of cost. Do the registration, attempt the test, and get placed in your dream company. Right, so let's start with our first opportunity, that is from Philips, as you can see right now. So you can see this is Code to Care challenge from Philips. So registration deadline has been clearly specified, that is 31st of October. Code to Care challenge 2021 by Philips. So the registration is going to be free. Also here you need a team size has been specified by them, that is 3 members you need. Let's proceed further. So coming to the eligibility, so engineering graduates, undergraduate, postgraduate, they have mentioned. So Code to Care challenge 2021 stages and timelines. So first of all, there will be a preliminary round MCQs. All the third team members need to take the MCQ test individually. Individually, you have to do that, right? On 1st of November 2021, in one sitting, the MCQ test will comprise of 2 sections. Section 1, that will be about Philips, and section 2 will be regarding cognitive tests. Each section will have 10. Well, they have provided certain guidelines as well. You can just go through them, right? So they have specified some guidelines as well. Coming to the next round, so that is idea submission round. As you can see right now, the shortlisted teams based on the MCQ performance will advance to this round. The teams can select one problem statement out of the given and submit a prototype. Teams need to submit 3 things: PPT explaining the idea and the solution, 1-minute video demonstrating the prototype, and the source code. That is all you need for the second round. So you can see the time has been specified for all the rounds. Next one is going to be mentorship phase. Mentor from the Philips will be assigned to work on the final presentation for each team. And then there is going to be grand finale. So grand finale will be comprising of top 5 teams will compete for the title in the grand finale. So all that you need to know about Code to Care challenge, they have specified that it's a hackathon from Philips aimed at generating ideas and solutions that ensure better health outcomes, improve patient experience, and enhances healthcare staff satisfaction. Philips has always invested in the workforce of the future. Certain other points has been provided as well, so you can just go through them for your further understanding. We'll be proceeding further. So here they have specified about the eligibility and team rules, that this competition is open to students pursuing BTech, BE, MTech, dual degree programs across select engineering colleges in India. Graduation year, that is 2nd to 4th year students are eligible for it. From BTech 1st and 2nd year students, from MTech and 2nd to 5th year from dual degree are eligible for it. Also they have specified the student must register in teams of 3 members. The participating students should be from the eligible specialization mentioned for their campus. They should be full-time students from the same engineering college. So you need that the team you are going to select. So the team will be comprising of the students of the same engineering college. One person cannot be a member of more than one team. Students should have 65% or 6 CGPA and above marks till their current semester to qualify for the hackathon. Any deviation from the above will result in immediate disqualification. right? So again, you can just go through it for your further understanding. You can see some prize rewards and etc. So many things has been associated. So just go through it. It's an amazing opportunity and make sure to do the registration. Coming to our next opportunity, that is from MasterCard. So MasterCard is basically hiring for the role of software engineer 1. So here you can see they have specified like above purpose and all certain points has been given. You can go through regarding this. So job title is software engineer 1. Overview they have provided is presentation enablement group is building a digital experience platform that will define MasterCard's strategy and roadmap for building sites and apps across multiple channels like web, mobile, IoT, etc. MasterCard is looking for a strong technical profession to be part of the exciting journey. We focus on delivering digital solutions across different digital channels. This is a career opportunity to be a senior application engineer providing global digital solutions. Coming to the role and skills specified by them. So develop user interfaces for modern rich internet application, perform product analysis and development tasks of increasingly complex nature, write tested and documented JavaScript, HTML and CSS, develop application code and unit tests in the AngularJS, REST web services, and Java technology. Ensure high performance application, strong expertise with HTML, CSS, and writing browser compatible code, good understanding of Ajax and JavaScript, experience with RESTful services, experience in JavaScript build tools like Grunt or Gulp, familiar with testing frameworks like as you can see just Jasmine and Trust Runner framework. So all about you need is a strong communication skills, both verbal as well as written, with a strong relationship building, collaborative skills and organizational skills, ability to work as a member of a matrix-based, diverse and geographically distributed project team. Certain other points has been given as well. So most probably this opportunity is for freshers. So if you're someone from 20 or 21 batch, you can apply for this opportunity. Well, coming to our next opportunity, that is from software engineer FCG, right? So here they have provided the job description and the qualification that you need. Well, this opportunity is from Ford, and you can see they have specified that this opportunity is for freshers. So if you're from 20 batch, 21 batch, 22 batch, you can apply for this opportunity. Area of professional exposure needed is like Java, J2EE, PLSQL, COBOL, MF, understanding on software lifecycle, agile, product-based model, build high-quality, innovative, and fully performing software that complies with coding and standards and technical design of the enterprise. Develop flowcharts, layouts, and documentation. Execute software development lifecycle. Write well-designed testable code in Java and or COBOL MF. Integrate software components into a fully functional software system. Document and maintain software functionality. Certain the points has been provided as well. So you can just go through them for the further understanding. We'll be moving to our next opportunity. So here's our next opportunity from HGS. So HGS is basically hiring for the role of associate software engineer. We'll be proceeding further. So here you can see the role dimensions has been provided that it is an integral part of the organization's overall digitization. Coming to the job description. So develop analytics dashboards per the low-level design. Testing, identify errors, defects, and develop test cases. Participate in internal and customer stakeholder update calls. Provide recommendation for continuous improvement. Work alongside with other engineers on the team to elevate technology and consistently apply best practice. Minimum qualification you need is BE BTech pass out 2021 and earlier batches. So 2021 and earlier batches are eligible, which means 2021, 2020 and 2019 is eligible for this opportunity, and branches specified are CSC, IC and EC only. Experience also they mentioned 0 to 2 years, and CTC they're gonna offer is 4 LPA. So again, this is an exciting opportunity for you. So these were some of the opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful. If this is so, make sure to hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends as well, so that even they can know about these hiring opportunities, and do share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.